Hi guys, there is an instant way to change the lips color in Photoshop. Even if the color is low, you can make it look bright and vibrant. First of all, go to the quick selection tool or lasso tool and make a clean selection around the lips. After completing the selection, go to the adjustment layer and select solid color. Choose a red color for the lips and press OK. Now go to the blending mode and select linear burn. As you can see, the color has been successfully added. You can zoom in to check the details. The lips look perfectly colored and more bright with a natural red tone. That's it. This is the quickest way to change lip color in Photoshop.